Here's a new intro I made. A couple of days ago, I got a new dirt bike. It actually isn't mine, it's our friend's, and he let me borrow it, because I sold my old one. It's an XR100, and it's a little bigger than my 80. Because it's not mine, I'm going to take it easy. Totally. Just like that, I'm back at the start. There's also a couple other trails that you can go down, mostly for mountain bikes, but you know, you can do it on dirt bikes, I guess. Man.
Let's go.
I was happy it wasn't flooded. After that, I decided to call it a day and I went back to the top. My friend's quad, the 300EX, has been out of commission for a while. He needed new tires, and he finally got them. He put them on the other day and made a little video. Well, it's been a pretty long video. Thanks for watching, and see you next week.